We brought you together today to make an important community announcement. In an effort to prevent the potential spread of COVID-19, we're announcing that we are suspending all public gatherings and events of 25 people or more until further notice. This suspension includes things like the St. Patrick's Day Parade and Patty Fest, as well as large sporting events in our community, fundraisers, concerts, and performances. It does not include essential services like schools, child care programs, government, including polling places, healthcare, and regular commerce that would occur at restaurants, grocery stores, and other business. The important thing to take home is we are doing this as extreme precaution to prevent community transmission of the disease. And I would like to reiterate again that there are no confirmed cases in Winnebago County, and we want that to remain. Social distancing has been recommended as a community mitigation, meaning a community prevention strategy. It's important that individuals recognize that we are doing this to protect their health and safety. The health department is also restricting visitors to long-term care facilities, except in such certain circumstances such as end-of-life decisions. We recognize that this is a very critical time for individuals. And our most vulnerable at-risk populations are those that are contained in long-term care facilities and skilled nursing facilities who are advancing in age and or have chronic medical conditions. The health and safety, again, of the community is our most important priority. Since there is no vaccine, there is no way to control the spread of the virus except through community mitigation standards. While most people won't get seriously ill, we know that there are vulnerables in our population that will experience illness that needs additional medical attention. Our healthcare facilities are prepared and ready to respond for them. If you have symptoms of coronavirus, please contact your physician's office, your urgent care, your emergency department before going in. It is critical that the teams be aware and be able to prepare for you to come into the centers. The best prevention is to stay home when you're sick. We cannot reiterate that enough. We've talked about hand washing, simple protection that you can do every day. But we are also then implementing these additional guidelines and standards so that we can ensure that our population is protected at the highest level that we can do that. We recognize that this is very disruptive to our community and our everyday lives, but we want to disrupt the transmission of this virus. And to do that, we need all hands on deck. We appreciate the support of our elected officials, our business community, our event sponsors, and our community. They have come together to respond and prepare and really develop plans that are appropriate for our community. So once again, we are suspending community events that are non-essential for individuals with more than 25 people. I think this becomes difficult for everyone to understand or comprehend, but the important thing is that we are doing this so that we can enforce social distancing in all of our locations. I want to thank you again for your support in getting the word out to our community. This is a critical time for all of us. Next, I would like to introduce Mayor McNamara, who is the mayor of our largest municipality in Winnebago County, representing 50% of our county. In addition, we are the third largest city in the state of Illinois, and we have to take additional precautions for our large population base. Mayor McNamara.